Did you know that it takes around 2,000 silkworm cocoons just to make 1 pound of silk? And listen, I know silk is nice, it's soft, it's luxurious, but it actually has the worst environmental impact out of all the textiles that we use. The growth and use of cotton is often scrutinized for its water and energy use, but silk production uses way more resources. Not only that, but silkworm farming also uses a ton of slave labor and child labor. It's insanely horrible and sad. The silk industry uses a lot of fresh water, causes a lot of water pollution, and emits a ton of greenhouse gases. Silkworm farms use a ton of energy because they have to be kept at very specific humidity and temperature levels for the silkworms. Because most silk farms are spread throughout places in Asia where it is hot, so air conditioning and humidity control is needed, and it uses a lot of energy. Steam and hot air are also required to dry out cocoons, so that uses even more energy. This industry also uses a ton of chemicals like formaldehyde and chlorine. Most silk comes from mulberry silkworms, but they're not worms at all, they're actually caterpillars that would eventually turn into these cute little mulberry moths. But they don't ever get that chance because all the caterpillars die in the process of harvesting silk. The caterpillars spin that silk around themselves to protect themselves while they pupate and turn into a moth. But the farmers don't want them to ruin the silk cocoons when they emerge, so they boil them alive, or kill them with hot air or steam. This process is called stifling, and it also makes it easier to unravel the cocoon. And like I said, it takes over 2,000 of them just to make 1 pound of silk. Your realm of compassion may not extend to caterpillars, but I think the environmental impact and the impact on humans is enough of a reason to steer clear.